Understanding, the line is noisy, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English learning for you. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound simple but is packed with meaning and usage in everyday English. The line is noisy. Stay with us as we explore what it means, when to use it, and how it can enhance your English communication skills. Let's decode this phrase together. When we say, "The line is noisy," we're referring to a situation where there is a lot of background noise or interference during a telephone call, making it difficult to hear the other person clearly. It's not about physical lines being noisy, but rather the quality of the audio transmission over the phone line. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts. It's a polite way to indicate that the call quality is not clear without directly blaming the other person's device or environment. Using "the line is noisy" in conversations. 1. To politely interrupt. If you're struggling to understand what the other person is saying, you can use this phrase to politely interrupt and ask for clarification. For example, "I'm sorry, but the line is noisy. Could you repeat that, please?" 2. To suggest a callback. Sometimes, the best solution to a noisy line is to end the call and try again later. This phrase can be a gentle way to suggest this action. "The line is noisy. Maybe we could hang up and try calling again?" 3. In professional settings. In business calls or meetings, clear communication is key. Using this phrase can help address audio issues without causing embarrassment or discomfort. "Could we address the noise on the line? It's a bit challenging to hear the details clearly." Understanding and using phrases like "the line is noisy" can significantly enhance your communication skills, especially in an era where phone and video calls are ubiquitous. Here are a few tips. Be attentive. Always listen carefully to the quality of the call and don't hesitate to use the phrase when necessary. Be polite. The way you communicate issues like a noisy line can impact the tone of the conversation. Always aim for a polite and constructive approach. Practice makes perfect. Try practicing this phrase in different scenarios to become comfortable with its use. Role-playing with a friend or language partner can be very helpful. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, "The line is noisy." Remember, effective communication is about clarity, understanding, and politeness. By mastering phrases like this, you're on your way to becoming a more proficient and considerate English speaker. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!